What to watch on YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers a wide range of shows, movies, live sports, and on-demand content. Here's a curated list of what to watch based on different categories. 1. Popular TV shows, drama and crime, Yellowstone, Paramount Network, intense family drama with Western action, Chicago PD, NBC, crime and police procedural series, The Blacklist, NBC, action-packed crime thriller, comedy, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, NBC, hilarious police comedy, The Office, Peacock, classic workplace comedy, Young Sheldon, CBS, family-friendly and heartwarming, reality and lifestyle, Survivor, CBS, ultimate reality competition, Fixer, Upper, Welcome Home, Magnolia Network, home renovation inspiration, Shark Tank, ABC, business pitches and entrepreneurial stories. Second, live sports and events, must-watch sports, NFL games, CBS, Fox, NBC, catch all the action every Sunday, NBA on TNT, basketball at its best, Premier League Soccer, NBC Sports, top-tier European football matches, MLB games, Fox, ESPN, baseball action throughout the season, special events, Super Bowl, NBC, Fox, the Ultimate Football Championship, the Oscars, ABC, watch the biggest night in Hollywood. 3. News and documentaries, top news channels, CNN, breaking world news and analysis, BBC World News, global coverage, MSNBC, political news and in-depth reports, recommended documentaries, 60 Minutes, CBS, investigative reporting, Dateline NBC, real-life crime and mystery stories, National Geographic specials, nature, wildlife, and adventure documentaries. 4th movies, on demand, action and adventure, The Dark Knight, AMC, classic superhero thriller, Mad Max, Fury Road, TNT, high-octane action, drama and thriller, The Shawshank Redemption, AMC, timeless prison drama, Gone Girl, FX, psychological thriller, family and animation, Frozen 2, Disney Channel, animated musical adventure, Toy Story 4, Disney Channel, heartwarming family film. 5. Kids and family shows, best kids channels, PBS Kids, educational content like Arthur and Wild Kratts, Nickelodeon, SpongeBob SquarePants, The Loud House, Disney Channel, Raven's Home, Bluey, 6, binge-worthy series and originals. Streaming recommendations, Only Murders in the Building, Hulu add-on. Mystery comedy with twists, The Handmaid's Tale, Hulu add-on. Dystopian drama, Stranger Things, Netflix, not on YouTube TV. Sci-fi mystery. Conclusion, whether you love sports, dramas, reality TV, or family-friendly shows, YouTube TV has something for everyone. Check out the Live tab, library, or on-demand section for personalized recommendations and trending content.